Hey, hi friends, Sam here. So I'm taking the question from one trainer over here. He said, Sam, I do have ConvertKit as the email marketing product, and I do have like hundreds of leads, and I do have few like 25-30 customers I am playing around. So whether ConvertKit is good marketing tool for me, or I should consider something else. First thing, it is email marketing product. It is not for cold outreach. So never ever use ConvertKit to target unknown people who have not given permission to you that use my email to send the mails. Don't use ConvertKit for those people. Otherwise your ID will be blocked, ConvertKit will block it. Another thing, as I said, it is email marketing product, so you can use it to send emails to your known people. So whatever this your hundreds of leads and 25 customers, you can use it to send them the email. But I do have one point over there. ConvertKit and other set of products, they are very good product, no doubt about that. But one problem is that they charge money, they charge their recurring fees based on contacts. So whenever contacts get increased, the package, whatever you are taking from ConvertKit, that has to be increased, So for 1000 contacts, some package, for 10,000 contacts, some package. And contacts is something everybody, every lead you get, every customer you get, you will add into the ConvertKit as a contact, So definitely your contact list will be growing like anything, So naturally using such product like ConvertKit, where on the basis of number of contacts they are charging or increasing the money, definitely not good. Find out something which will be better, okay, which will be equally good, which will not cost you so much of money, and which will allow you unlimited contacts, by the way, and which should not increase the money based on your contacts, based on your emails. So for 10,000 emails this much, 1 lakh email this much, that is fine, but not based on the contact. So stay away from any email marketing tool like ConvertKit and all due respect, which charge you based on number of contacts, and get into certain tool where you get unlimited contacts, and based on emails they charge you. In case if you want to have any such solution, I can also recommend you many things, not maybe in this video, but in the different video I can recommend that. Somewhere you will get my team's WhatsApp number over here. Ping them, and in case if you want my help, my recommendation, very well we can get into a conversation. Okay, so I hope you got the answer that ConvertKit is not the good solution for you. Definitely, I love ConvertKit personally as product feature, but on this point, based on the number of contacts they increase the cost, that is like killing factor, So stay away from that and get into something where you will get unlimited contacts. Okay, so I hope this is useful. In case if anything you want to ask me, put on the message on the number. Another thing is that I started Sam's Idea Factory video series. Somewhere on the video or in the description I'm giving you the link. Go ahead and sign up over there. I share one valuable advice video, tool related video once in a week to you. Okay, so take the advantage of that. Thank you. Stay in touch and see you in the next video. Bye bye.